such a good daddy. Turn around. We'll take turns, baby. Go straight.
Remember, when you want to stop, you just let off the gas, okay? Let off the gas for a second. Okay, so if you get stuck, you need to back up. You push this button, not hit the gas. You're going to back up. Watch your toes, Mackenzie. Backwards, see? Okay, now stop. Now you can go forward. Don't push it while you're driving. Okay?
Uh-oh.
Don't push it when you're driving, let off the gas first, okay?
Be careful and hold tight, Mackenzie.
Because you break it, okay? Now go forward. No, that's going to go backwards. You don't want to go backwards, you go forward. There we go.
Whoa.
Okay.
We'll take turns. We'll take turns.
Do you want to go forward?
You want to be first?
And then we can go by ourselves?
No, and then we're going to put it... Wait, Mackenzie, wait.
Wait till
You can go by
Kaylee get
yourself.
on.
You want Kaylee on there.
Okay.
Okay, wait, don't push anything.
Wait till she gets on.
You guys already ran over Daddy's toes. Okay.
Hold tight, Kaylee.
Forward, that's forward, yes. Hold tight, Kaylee, so you're going to push the button.
Watch your
Push the
leg.
gas.
Watch your feet.
Push the
Mackenzie,
gas.
how come you don't have your shoes on?
Let's go this way.
Go left, yeah, go left.
I go backwards?
Okay, push the gas. Okay, off the gas. No, hey, stop. Off the gas,